Hi guys, in this video we are going to work with MIP 1502, right? But specifically we are going to look at the algebraic language, right? There are certain terms that you need to know, such as a variable. A variable, guys, it's a letter that is used to represent an unknown or a changing value in an expression. Then there is a constant. A constant is a number in an algebraic expression. Its value is fixed and cannot change. So these are the most important mathematical term. So you may ask yourself why it is important to know this. It is important because we will work with weight problems. In MIP, there are weight problems that you need to know how to work with that are associated with algebra, right? So I hope, guys, you're noting everything that I've said since I started the video. I've said that the variable is a letter used to represent an unknown or a changing value in an expression. Then a constant is a number in an algebraic expression. It is fixed and cannot change, right? So let's consider this, the weight sum. Hope you put this, the weight sum. Actually, the weight sum means that the answer you get, it is the answer you get when you add the number. When you add the numbers, the answer you get when you add the numbers in a simple English. So let's say x plus y. This is the sum of these, the two, sum of x plus y. Actually, the weight sum means total. Don't forget that. Hope you put that into practice. Hope you are noting. Then there's a weight difference. Difference, it means that we subtract. When you're given this, the answer you get when you subtract numbers, it's what you call a difference. Then we have what you call product. Product, guys, the answer when you is the answer when you multiply numbers is called product. Maybe let's say x multiplied by y algebraically. Then we have the quotient. The answer when you divide numbers is called the quotient. The quotient when you divide numbers. Let's say maybe I say x divided by y, which is the same as x all over y, right? It's the quotient. Then there's a weight. They can use weights such as consecutive. Consecutive. If you check in your MIP study guide, there are weight problems. Maybe they say Sipo goes to and Sipo is 22 years older than his father. What is the age of his father? Some problems like that. So our second video will work with weight problems, guys. So okay, consecutive. The weight consecutive means the number that follow each other. Numbers that follows each other. Numbers that follows each other. Let's say 4, 5, 6. What follows 6, it will be 7. So for example, in terms of variable, x plus 1 and x plus 2, njalo njalo, right? Okay, so that's consecutive. Then another terms that they can use is double. To double is to multiply by 2, guys. Yes, is to multiply by 2. In terms of variable, it will be maybe 2 multiplied by x. That will be 2x. Then there are weights such as increased, meaning you add, decrease, meaning you subtract, right? Then there's a weight half. When something is halved, that thing is divided by 2. It's divided by 2. When it's triple or 3 times, 3 times as many, maybe you could say you multiply by 3, right? That's what is very important to note. Then square number. When they say square number, that means that thing is y multiplied by y, which is y squared. So if it's cube, that thing will be y multiplied by y, which will be y cube. So these are the terms that you need to be familiar with. We call them algebraic language. So this is the language that you need to be familiar with when working with or interpreting expressions, number sentences, word problems. So you will need to have this knowledge. Without this knowledge, you will never make it. It all depends on the language. If you understand the language, there are higher chances of you to get a distinction in MIP 1502. It is possible. Nothing is it's impossible in this world as long as you put your mind into it. Hope you find this video useful, guys. See you on our next videos since we are dealing with different units. So hope you are following and you're taking notes. I wish you all the best in this academic year. Around September and October, we will release the past exam papers that will equip you to your final examination. Guys, if you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Let's do the right thing. You only subscribe once. For those of you who have subscribed, we really appreciate. We are growing as a community, one step at a time. And remember, you will win. You will win. If you believe, you will win. Right? Thank you. And remember, we love you.